Ladies, gents, welcome back to The Random, and today we're going to discuss screen recording. So, if you don't know what screen recording is, we're going to walk you through it. Screen recording is the ability to record your screen. Apple has it built in natively to your iPad, iPad Pro, or your iPhone series. From there, you can share whatever it is that you've decided to record on your screen. Let's take a look. Swipe down from the top for Control Center access. Immediately, if you look down, you see this blinking red button. That is the screen record button. Now, there's two types of screen recording. The first type, as we're going to long press on it, is what we're doing now. One where you have the microphone on. So let's say if you're giving some audible directions or doing a how-to video or sharing it with one of your friends on how to access a certain feature, you can use this. You can talk to them and walk them through it. I think this is absolutely amazing. Now, the second type of screen recording, let's say you want to do the same thing, but you don't want to talk to them. You just want them to see the actions. You can do that, and you see the microphone at the bottom. You can toggle that until it says microphone off. Real easy to do. Now, if you notice, it says at the top, everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable Do Not Disturb to prevent unexpected notifications. So if you want to do a screen recording where there's no notifications or anybody interrupting what you're doing, put it on Don't Disturb, and that will help you out tremendously. Now, let's swipe out of here, and let's see exactly how to get to Control Center and make those changes. First, go to your Settings app. From there, swipe up right under General. You'll notice Control Center. Once you tap on that, you will have the ability to then take a look and notice included controls, those that are already there. If you notice the three little lines here piled on top of each other like a hamburger, you can touch on it, long press, and it'll allow you to maneuver each one around and kind of place them in whatever order you like. If we scroll up here to more controls, you notice immediately, guess what? The plus sign, meaning you can add them there. So let's say I want to add dark mode. I hit the plus sign, you scroll back up, you notice dark mode has been added to my control center. Also, let's swipe down, and what do you know? Dark mode here at the bottom right corner. Absolutely fantastic. So, ladies, gents, let's look at some of the other things you can do to have some screen recording fun. Let's try to perform here a screenshot. If you notice, take the screenshot. If you have an Apple Pencil, we'll go to blue. Let's make it red. Let's just write up here. I'm going to write Skyline. Excuse the chicken scratch. Scribble all over the Bugatti. I'm sure somebody would really enjoy that in everyday life. And there it is. You can hit done and save to your Photos app, much like you would do with the screen recording. So, do you use screen recording? Do you like this feature? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. I think screen recording is amazing. It's absolutely awesome. Also, there's a couple of ways to stop it. You see this little red blinking dot in the upper right corner? You can tap on that. It will ask you to stop screen recording. And guess what? It will pause it for a moment, thus pausing any audio or anything going on. And if you hit stop, that will end your video. The file then goes to your photo app. If not, if you're like me, you want to be thorough, swipe down from the top, you click on this blinking red button, and you go ahead and put it into your screen recording. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me in the comments section. I think this is worth talking about. I would love to see some of the creative ways you use screen recording for. And thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in our next video. Peace.